Makan dada.
Answer. Ajax for blow ni Ajax bia Ajax eya dwuma total football na Ajax ye ho adwuma. Ajax use 4-3-3 and the ball games no. It is yes akofan as director of football. Na kono first 30 we say almost some game plan dia. And Ajax system we don't system.
Sure. Okay.
Simple like it.
Okay, me that's am come nja ho na fi yentu asonku ani. Ghana hani total football. Okay, makan dada. Director of football Emma Krobie Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Emma the matter say oko Adekoja Ajax Sports Complex.
Okay.
There's a Peniford Nico Homa Nico Bar Pro Kakra oko inspection the Nico facilities e wo AG. Na the matter say or the atum Penifo nim say training pitch no. The senior team e train was no. Omontra no we improve the man.
That's all.
Also we improve a pitch the man. Training pitch no there.
Was start adwuma no.
Was start adwuma no. The players need training was on the pitch. Yeah. Was in penny for no we improve pitch the man.
Yeah no person o kire no. Pitch ni institute. Okay.
And then you go use your venues we do. Oh. You talk about Ghana football this week.
What you better. So
we pay man.
What you better.
Also we improve pitch the man.
Okay.
Yes. You know, let's as far as you go. Send your pictures there, man. We had a mini man. They quality pictures were about using the venue blue. Yeah, Yanaka.
Organize the baby. I can't
do one to Atama. Club license from co inspection. Yeah, not a camera. But here, Boku and now. Only pass a boy at the best 7 times. The best I would blue club license and if you the rest of Ghana on hand. Sure. Because the football to the good pitches.
The ball need one make catch on. Sure. Or the Ajax system now the Bakuma. You know, I start preaching it. Any two tough football or better. Or any possession yet mapa. Upia or circle.
Okay. The bit to say, we are Stanley Menzo. Or better if you Ghana had then yachim.
Okay.
I couldn't crew maba.
Okudukrum. Holland.
Waba. Unveil na koso.
Okay.
Wani mpenifo abetrasi edi nkomo.
Yeah.
Wani project abetu mpenifo anim. Ti afa no kwa boaboa no ho.
Okay.
Nwa krakra na afi waba. Aba be shi ni dwumadi ase. Eti obesa akunikrum aba. Ye metin se bia wa chekra by 2 weeks time.
Noko.
Na kwa boaboa no ho asa aba. It is Stanley Menzo. No hun sem kakra ewo ho enso eno no. Se nyedi nkadi atudwa no. For chess information ekuta in there likely white coach.
Ebeba
white coach about Bruni Fita.
Okay.
And also Eba. Baba Yaya
Messi.
The contract say Abana. The contract on Asante Kotoko wono. Abana wie.
Okay.
The Martin say a club from Tunisia. Show interest some pay Baba Yaya Messi. A Tunisian club show interest some pay Yaya Messi Baba Yaya.
Okay.
It incommodate gusu a ekoso.
Okay.
Se we dey go through obeko. Ghana has minimum clubs we show interest.
FM.
Ghana have 2 clubs show interest some pay Baba Yaya Messi. Say e be best subject to be a no coach eba.
Okay.
So coach ni ba bi a obo so awon dey are. E be hia na be renew a na mo renew. We nyanso anawko enti Baba Yaya a club from Tunisia show interest some epen.
Okay.
Kofi Agbesima ma me ntia me Kofi no pay
Kofi Agbesima
also Samatex the matter say the contract na end wo.
Okay.
The Kofi Agbesima so FC Samatex
wonderful
the contract na end wo honom.
Okay.
Eti per me check the information ekuta me no Kofi say we free so we renew contract no.
Okay.
For now the Kofi Agbesima formerly of Bitim United House of Folk.
Yeah.
Kofi captain Bitima captain House.
Yeah, our captain House.
Yeah. See Kofi so free. Until the mean say free hono no.
Good.
Mami was withdraw all blacks emra.
Okay.
Almost striker. Rudulf Mensah.
Okay.
Asante Kotoko. But we say Asoko
Kumasi FM.
Rudulf Mensah to Asante Kotoko. Se bibi o ma be ma ade no adile kura ana.
Yeah.
Say new coach enyamaye no.
Okay.
Ebi a coach no be ba no. Le bi ba be hwe ni videos ni ade no.
Maybe on so different.
We say obi a o. Mi hia no. Se nya no dia Committee aka say Rudulf Mensah and Asante Kotoko maybe.
Okay.
Subject to new coach Obama.
Okay.
Say you no be ank make us Asante Kotoko ni Rudulf Mensah maybe. We ma tell say Kotoko any swe drew All Blacks in penifo.
Okay.
Omedi nkomo ti ase aye adwuma. Asante Kotoko any Rudulf Mensah player na akasa. Omedi nkomo player na say yes to Asante Kotoko.
Okay.
Iti biaka new coach no beba no. Eni ade a omo twen. So we do Asante Kotoko penifo. Ede Abrantians obuni coach na ba obuni video.
Mercy FM.
Watch the open and na so ompe no. Ba Abrantians dem na kasa bibi adem kama. Tumeka say be 90% to Asante Kotoko, Rudulf Mensah. Iti eni de men say can free ho. Sedu Sana of the Ediana Football Club.
Sana.
The midfield dynamo. Branton do nimbo.
Kobako so you THB.
Fantastic.
Confirmed. Kotoko ebe you THB. The Kotoko lawyer, which we'll talk about him in another video extensively. Asia THB before. Now, Amushia THB no. And Amuche contract. No Amuche contract no. And I'ma go through. And I'm some modifications in the contract.
Okay.
But they still want to work with them.
Fantastic.
No, on my show. I'm supposed to assess or no show. If they can prove to them that they are the right people for the job, I'm not better. Until I'm crashing. So from the meeting, I so Kwesiada ene ukwada. Wow. Because of Juada and Banadano. And then Mumia
Tuesday, yeah.
And I say Kwesiada and Juada.
Aye.
You say Wednesday. The last 2 days, Mama Canasa. That gives them that. They are going to make some modifications. Maybe you will free Nafa we ship near Hardier. The way near Hardier for we shahana near Hardier. That kind of thing. And we never cost. Then they work with them for 1 year, whilst they want to assess them. The Kotoko THB to continue.
All right.
Na lawyer nene yi nyama bi afrim kakra. Na am I okay with the contract?
Okay.
We take here then too. Nyanko.
So they are kind of too. I am a one yama ba ku bi no bi ho. One of them is continuity. Say ya de adwuma hye won sa. Na usu mu na say de obeto ye no wo sesa bibia entirely. That will be the mark of your failure. A step to failure. Because obi a opesa wo succeed bia. Se wo predecessor no yemfa na say de wo ye na enye kra. Obenya bibi ba ku bie wo mu a wo say wo de ye adwuma. Continuity. And say ba na sa na ebeboa. Because having a kid sponsor in the league, Ghana yebom sisi ano, enye easy sir. Having a good kid sponsor, enye better. Untumi nyano just on silver platter. Ese udidi nkomo kwa echire. And the package at THB de mako Asante Kotoko over the past few years, I believe the enye package basasa. I mean, just ba 3 set home, 3 set away, plus boot, track suit, bags, and then train kits, and colano kwenye bino, and ye bad. E caneno na ye she jesi, na se yan kwanku siya, asemaba. And the crowd be a bobo na se utumi so be a tired of net, and I said mistake be babia, utumi rad dressing room et me sister. That is for the start, and it's good. Men can't say you drew, we are not there yet. But for me,